Hi, my name's Juliet and today I'm going to show you another fun way to do a possible cover reveal in Shotcut. Have your book cover appear from nowhere. First, I am, as usual, starting with a plain background so you can see what I'm doing. And I have my book cover mock-up in the centre of the screen. You could put it wherever you wanted on the screen. I want this image to suddenly appear and grow. To do this, I need to create a size keyframe in the Size, Position and Rotate filter. So I'm going to click on the image in the timeline and add that filter. First, I'm going to find a percentage size that I want my book to end up as, because 100% is way too big, which I think is going to be about 70%. In a real situation, you'd probably have other elements on the page, so you might want to go smaller and place it differently. So this is a straightforward zoom from 0 to 70%, except you can't put in 0, so I'm going to use 0.1%. Place the cursor at the beginning of the image clip, click on the keyframe timer, and select a 0.1% zoom. Move the cursor to where you want the zoom to finish and type in 70%. This won't be at the end of the image clip because you'll want it to stay on the screen for whatever else you add to your cover reveal, or just so people have time to look at it. You can either do this reveal fast or slow, which will probably depend on where you're using it. Just make the start and end point distance shorter or longer to get the effect you need. Here's what it looks like for real, fast and a little slower. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.